on, Batman?
Feel my
Are you singing on the toilet? Hey, Wyatt, or Batman, I mean, can you do me a favor? Can you draw 5 names out of this jar so we can see who won a t-shirt? Thank you. Hand it to me. Who's that one? Thank you. Kimberly won. Yay. Who's next? Hand it to me. Thank you. Paige Clark. Yay. Liz Ferguson. Who else won, Batman? Monica Jeffries. Yay. I think that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. And who's this one? And Tina McDonald. Woohoo. Yay. Thanks, Batman. Anything you want to say? Anything you want to say to everyone? Oh, they're all gone? Can you say thanks for voting for us? Hey, Wyatt. Say thanks for voting for us. Hey, Batman. Can you say thanks for voting for us?
Thanks for voting for us.